Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do is there's meal yellow for Maria. She loves that meal yellow. So other than cute guys, they have pepperoni pizza, Hawaiian pizza. They have spinach artichoke. They had peppers, cheese pizza, and in the desserts they have brownies, cinnamon rolls, and some kind of cheesecake pizza that one of the guys getting. They have fresh salad. It's cute, guys. Just stay there and look at it. And then they have a pasta buffet over there. So like spaghetti and chicken pasta. So you can either have spaghetti and with meat or chicken and white sauce pasta. And if you don't see the pizza you want, you can just ask and they'll make it for you. And it's included. You bitch. Uh-oh, Maria.
What happened?
People.
People, yep.
Uh-oh, people. It's Friday, Maria.
Hmm?
It's Friday.
It's Friday?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
I think I'm just looking for the garden stuff.
Yeah, this one is big. I'm gonna take all but I'm gonna get it. Espérate, déjame ver lo que yo voy. Eso. Stupid cars.
That's what I just said. Shut up, Rose. You know they driving a small dick. Shut up, Rose.
Even the doctor, the psychiatrist said, shut up, Rose.
Yep, that's right. Sure did.
You know, even if the psychiatrist is saying it.
Open till 11.
Oh,
9 till 11.
why?
Same thing as TJ Maxx and Ross. They got some nice flowers though. These are $10. Lunch boxes. No. Jughead needs a new lunchbox.
Definitely need one of these.
Cheese grater?
And it has a thing on the bottom.
Oh, nice. Look at your long spoons. The handles.
Yeah.
That's nice.
$10.99.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, I need one of them. I needed to grate the... I buy this bar chocolate to make hot chocolate. And if you grate it, it's better when you grate it. I mean, to cook it. So, yeah.
Oh, the only problem that I have with this is air going through here. Air goes through here and then...
How? Get it here soon. I definitely need a blender.
$32. That's gorgeous for $32.
I wouldn't pay $30, but it's nice. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. Oh, that would be nice too.
One cashier. Waiting 10 minutes to check out. Maria and I don't think this is gonna last long. Bad location. We're back to compare foods.
They got food here.
I want to buy that bag of rice, Maria. I want to buy that bag of rice. You said it was $14 for a big bag?
No, not to a 21.
No.
You gotta check the other ones.
Okay.
When we came, it was $14.99.
Yeah.
Right now. I think that was the first week. I'm looking for eggplant. You have these ones, the long ones, which are in the middle, and then you have the other ones that are like that, like a half a moon. Yeah, they're different. I like these ones. These are the ones that I like. Yeah, these.
All right, we'll get it. We're gonna get it and try it. Is this lamb?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. What's this?
That's beef. Picanha. Yeah,
Picanha, yeah.
It's a type of yeah. Look, they have the loin here.
Uh-huh. For
This is the
$20?
boneless.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, this is the boneless right here.
$20?
Yeah, I think that's a little bit too much.
Yeah, for me and him, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I need some water.
Bottled water?
Jugs. 2 liter. I mean, one gallon.
Yeah, how much
Yeah,
are
but I
these?
need spring water.
Huh?
I need spring water.
Oh, spring water. Why didn't you get it at the dollar store?
Because they didn't have none. I looked.
Oh, you look?
Yeah. Because if not, I have to go to Publix for that.
No, no.
When I get home, I got to go to Publix. I'm trying not to go to Publix. Maria. $2 for that big old thing?
Highlander small eggs over raw 2 point deal. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
So 2.5 pounds. I mean, 2.5 dozen, right?
Yeah.
That's cheap.
Yeah,
Right now it's $4 at Publix for one dozen.
2.5 DL dozen. 2.5 dozen for $2.49.
I'll get that.
2.5. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Go ahead. Thanks for the advertisement.
Where will pee again? Yeah, $2.49.
Looks like we're back in business, John Hammond. Milk is $3. At Publix, it's $5.99 here. At Publix, it's $6.19. Soda here is $1.99. At Publix, it's $8 for one. I don't know where the water is at. I don't want to go to Publix. I'm not feeling good. I don't know. Oh, there they are. Spring water. We heard the car accident.
I heard that shit so
John
loud.
Young and Oak Street.
Look at
It's
that.
right here.
Oh, that's the other car right there.
You saw that? You found the other car?
Yeah, right there.
This white one?
So he hit him. He hit him. Because his car is the one that is so fucked up. Look right here. Look at that. Most likely ain't the fucking lie.
Okay, good news, everybody. So Maria's breast cancer and cancer of the bones on her left hip, it's her breast cancer is shrinking, and her bone cancer is staying the same, but there's no more fluid left in her bone because the cancer ate it. So she's going to be in pain. But hey, cancer's not growing. Oh my goodness, this bronchitis. It's driving me crazy. I think I need some more Coca-Colas. Coca-Cola! Coca-Cola is my medicine for my bronchitis. Oh my goodness. Some more Coca-Colas. Some more Coca-Colas.